Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Lloyds Bank debit card. First thing I want you to do is launch up the Lloyds Bank app, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you just come to the bottom right, click on manage card. And then here, I want you to go ahead and click on view card details right there. And here you should see the option to activate the card. So make sure it's activated. The status is active, so go ahead and do that. And then you just need to go ahead and agree to the terms in your cardholder agreement, enter the card number, expiration date, CVV code. The CVV code is actually the 3-digit security code that you have at the back of the card. So enter that here, and then you can go ahead and activate your card. And then you'll get this right here. It should be activated, and then you can do other functions with the card as well if you wish to do so. So it's really that easy. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.